Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will focus on the step-by-step process of repairing the wheel of your Conga 3090 laser, a crucial component for its functionality. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a hex wrench set, and some cleaning cloths. Make sure to have these tools ready before starting the repair. Begin by disconnecting the power supply to the device. Safety first. Once the device is powered down, flip it upside down to access the wheel compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws that secure the wheel cover. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. As you take off the cover, inspect it for any visible damage or debris that may interfere with the wheel's movement. Next, remove the wheel itself by unscrewing the bolts using the hex wrench. Take note of how the wheel is positioned for reassembly. If you notice any wear or damage, this might be the perfect time to consider a replacement. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Once the wheel is removed, take a moment to clean the internal area. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will ensure that your repair is thorough and that the new or repaired wheel functions smoothly. After cleaning, inspect the wheel hub and the axle for any signs of damage. If everything looks good, it's time to reassemble the wheel. Position the wheel back onto the axle and secure it using the bolts you previously removed. Ensure that it is tightly fastened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this may cause damage. Now, place the wheel cover back on the device and secure it with the screws. Double-check that all screws are tight and that the cover is properly aligned. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the power supply and test the wheel's functionality. If you notice any issues, it's a good idea to get a professional diagnosis without obligation. As a final touch, if you're unsure about your repair skills or if you'd like to avoid the hassle, we provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Plus, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get assistance without leaving your home. After completing these steps, your Conga 3090 laser should be back in working order. Regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to prolonging the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.